In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into ClickUp. It's a quick and straightforward process, and in just a few easy steps, you'll have your data imported efficiently. Let's get started, shall we? To begin, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your workspace icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done this, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you'll manage various aspects of your ClickUp account. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with its options if you're new to it. Next, from the drop-down list, you need to select the Settings option. This is where the magic happens. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Imports and Exports. Click on that, as it holds all the tools you need to bring in your CSV file. Under Imports and Exports, you'll notice an option for Spreadsheet. Go ahead and click there. This is the doorway to importing your CSV data. Once you click on Spreadsheet, you'll be prompted to upload the CSV file that you want to import. Simply locate the file on your computer and select it for upload. After you've chosen your CSV file, ClickUp will begin processing it. This can take a moment, so be patient. It's working hard to get your data lined up and ready for you to use. Once the processing is complete, you'll be directed to an interface where you can edit and align your fields. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to adjust your columns and ensure they match up neatly with the fields ClickUp offers. This is a great feature because it allows you to tailor your imported data to fit seamlessly with your existing setup. You can also take some time here to customize other settings and elements to better organize your information. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, you're all set. You've successfully imported your CSV file into ClickUp. It's that simple. This tool is incredibly useful for keeping your data organized and accessible, especially if you're transitioning from other platforms or consolidating data from various sources. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've taken your data from a CSV file and integrated it into ClickUp, ensuring that you have all your important information at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial, and stay tuned for more ClickUp tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other content for more insights and guides. Happy organizing!